Welcome to our MAP technical training videos. In this video, we're going to introduce the CPL college landing pages. These are customizable and college specific, so they can be posted to your website to promote the CPL your institution offers to current and prospective students. College ambassadors have the opportunity to customize their landing page, changing logos, colors, links, and text. This training video will show you how to customize your landing page and will walk you through all the steps that the students will see when they are exploring here. What we're looking at right now is the public-facing site. Implemented map articulations from Moreno Valley will automatically display here. This will include any newly approved CPL, so you won't need to consistently update your website with newly approved CPL. Students are able to select the courses that they may think that they have evidence for and request a CPL review. And that will go to your college to review and start the conversation. So this is the public-facing side. I'm going to show you what it looks like from your end on MAP when it comes to how to customize it and how that translates onto this page here. So in MAP, any ambassador will have access to edit that page. You'll go to the upper left to the main menu, select Settings, and then Ambassador. This brings you to the Ambassador module. If you select for Custom College CPL Settings, this will bring you to the page where you can make those changes. Everything on the left here of this line is going to show you the things that can be changed, and we're going to step-by-step go through each of those. There are 3 different tabs at the top: Settings, Contacts, and Links. So starting with Settings, you can update your logo and any of these file types will be accepted, and that's what's going to show up in the upper left. You can change the custom URL name, and that's what's going to display at the very end of the URL. You have the option, if you didn't want to display a logo, you could hide the logo, or you can hide a college name. So typically, if this is unselected here, the name Moreno Valley College would display right underneath where the logo is. Since their logo has their college name, that's why we have it hidden here. Website text can be edited, and this text displays, if you open up this credit for prior learning box, it'll show you all the information here, so you can customize that to your college as well. There are a couple different ways you can change the different colors on the page: primary and secondary. So the primary background and font colors are going to be for the Request CPL Review button, the credits icon, and the star icons. The secondary background colors are going to be the links on the left, as well as the course titles. Once you've saved any changes you've made here, we can go to the next tab to Contacts. The CPL Assistant email is going to be an important email for this page. Whenever someone selects Request CPL Review, it's going to go to this email that's inputted here. If there is no email here, it won't allow students to send an email or to request a CPL review. So whether that's one email that goes to multiple people to evaluate credit for prior learning, or maybe it goes directly to someone at your college, you can do that. Just make sure something's in there so that students can reach out. You can put your college website as well to link them back to your website. The CPL contacts below will have CPL counselor, school certifying official, and the veteran rep counselor. These names and emails are all pulled from the contact log. So you can either edit them here, and that will make changes to your contact log, or you could change it in your contact log, and that will make changes here. If there is no name selected with one of these, they won't show up on the live page. So there's no veteran rep listed. There's not going to be a veteran rep listed here as well. And currently we do have an option to add emails here, but those aren't going to display on the live site at this time. Lastly, we have links. So every college will start with 3 links, and those are the links that were determined to be necessary to start off with. So there's an option for upload your joint services transcripts, so students can upload that to send a notice to the school as well as post it in MAP for that college. There's a link for CCC Apply so they can go in and get their ID. And then there is a link to apply for financial aid as well with the California Student Aid Commission. Lastly, you have options to add new links. So for this example, Moreno Valley wanted the option to have a way to also upload industry credentials. So they linked this here to allow students to go in and update that as well. All of these will display on that main page. So we have our links, website, email. If you selected courses to review, those will display on the left here. The counselors and school certifying officials, and of course, all of our courses. As we're looking at our courses, there's a couple of different things you can do. You can search by keyword, or you can filter. You can look at it in card mode or list mode. You can export to Excel whatever you have filtered. And then, as I said, you can request CPL review. So if they added a couple of courses, or even if they didn't, select Request CPL Review, and first we'll ask if they have a CCC Apply ID. If not, it will tell them why that's important to inquire about CPL, and if they do, it will ask for that ID here. Once they put in an ID, it'll allow them to input their information, maybe add any attachments if they would like, or list additional qualifications here so they can start that conversation with you all. That's an overview on what you can change and edit and how this college landing page will work for you. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to your customer success managers so that we can help support you.